Oh no, wait, babe, come here.
Oh, shit.
It's not yours. You're not talking. What if you were gonna die by it? Oh, wait.
I'm saying you're a fucking asshole, bro. You took my fucking kill. Let me get a kill. Fuck.
Double kill. Alright.
What the?
Really? You faggot.
I see you first, fucker.
Hey, well, this stupid faggot's blocking the line. Hey, don't you die.
Oh, I drive by a car.
That's fucked up. Hey, that's fucked up how you died, Donkey. I know you was running to kill that dude, and then you was just dying out of nowhere. That was hella funny, bro. Look at the bottom, fuckers.
Who is Mike Ryan? Why did I even ask who that was? Oh my god, they're nice to me, Phyllis.
I'm sorry to Brian, bro.
Go me! Ryan! Why do you always knife me? I hurt. If I could get it to him.
See? Fucking bitch!
Yeah, and Ryan dies by the care package because he's a dummy. You are, you freaking flip over it. Oh.
Skills.
Ryan! Dude, what's that under your last name? Or your middle name?
They're all by the
I just called you your middle name. Ryan James!
He's right there.
What?
I got him.
I would let you kill me, babe, but I'm on your team. I would.
Thank you anyway.
Ryan! Ryan James! I didn't even know you were still alive. I was all playing with the bomb, and I was like, shh. Ryan. Come on, dude, bruh. You don't know if it's past me. Get the hell away from me. Your mom let you out of your crib? That's weird. Didn't you see, faggot?
That's on the right.
I did it! Oh, why did I do that on my account?